Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. So as you can tell, I am still in my PJs. So this morning I am cleaning my kitchen and my sitting room. It is a rainy day, so I just decided to do some cleaning inside of my house. I'm going to be wiping down all the counters and then mopping all of the floors. If you're new here, hi, my name is Carly. I make lifestyle, cleaning, organizing, motherhood vlogs here on this channel. If you enjoy videos like that, definitely subscribe. I would love to have you. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I try to do at least 2 cleaning videos a week plus some kind of vlog or another sit down video. So I would greatly appreciate it if you joined me. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's just get right into it. As you can see, this cabinet right here with all my pots and pans in it, this is a very strange cabinet and I'm not sure how to store everything inside of it. So if you guys have any tips for me, definitely let me know down in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. I always do the dishes first when I'm cleaning my kitchen. Let me know if that's something you do too.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
My countertops were not too dirty this morning just because I had wiped them down the previous night, but I still wanted to just give them a nice little wipe down here this morning, so that's why I am not really taking everything off and doing like a deep clean. So now I'm moving on to my stove. I got this cleaner from Home Depot and I just go ahead and put it all over the stove, and then I take a dry paper towel and kind of mix it all in, and then I'll let it sit there for a little while I go ahead and clean some other spaces. Now I'm just wiping down this little end table we have on the back side of our couch. This tends to be a spot where we put all of our drinks and just trash when we are eating in the living room. And does anybody else's husband mess with them when they're making a video? Because mine does literally all of the time. Now I'm just dusting under this little end table, and this is my husband's 2017 Pro Championship trophy. It was his first ever time winning in the pro class, so we have it showcased down here so everybody can see when they walk into our house, just in case you wanted to know what that was. Next, I'm moving into our sitting room, and I'm just taking some of these 7th generation antibacterial wipes, wiping down our table, and then I'm going to wipe down Evelyn's high chair and kind of strip it because it was really dirty, and we were actually getting a new one in the mail today, so I decided to take that apart, and I'm going to put it in our motorhome for the rest of the season. I was just getting a little tired of hauling it back and forth, so I ordered her a new one that has like wheels and stuff, and I can't wait for her to get it just because I feel like it'll be easier for when I'm cooking in the kitchen. She can be sitting right next to me, so that is what I'm doing now.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you.
Moving back to our stove, after I let that sit for a while, I'm taking a wet paper towel and I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it all down and get all of the crumminess off. And then I'm going to be taking a Q-tip and getting into the crack in between the stove and where all of the buttons are. I did film a little clip of this, but my phone ended up doing it sideways, so it's not the best quality, but I still wanted to show you what I was talking about. Next, I'm just taking some of this Method cleaner and wiping down the front of my stove where all the buttons and knobs and then the glass is, and then I'm going to go ahead and start to sweep up the floors and get them ready to be mopped.
My heart stopped when I first saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me too?
When I'm sweeping in a big area like this, I find it easier if I just take everything and kind of sweep it onto the carpet, and then I go ahead and take my vacuum and vacuum it up. I just find this quick and easy. I know it might sound kind of gross to you guys or kind of weird, but that's just something that I do and I've been doing for a while now, and it just makes it easier for me. So after I'm done vacuuming, I'm going to go ahead and take the mop and start mopping the floors. So to do the mopping, I use my Swiffer Wet Jet, and I get the pet odor wet pads. This works really well. As you guys know, I have 2 German Shepherds, so they do stink up my house. So this works really well to not only clean my floors, but kind of get that odor out of the house, and I just find that it works best for me.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm finding my high, yeah.
So that is it for this cleaning video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you some motivation to go ahead and clean your house. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and let me know down in the comments what your favorite room is to clean in your house. Mine is the kitchen, just because I do it a few times a day and I've gotten really quick at it, so now I find it just easy to clean. But let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.